This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing one clip to act as the root because it will control perceived loudness across the mix. Normalize that root to about -6 dB and apply a tiny fade to remove transients. Once done, route its output to a dedicated bus named Root VOL so you can apply global gain and processing. Make sure to lock or mute extraneous tracks temporarily to hear changes clearly. This saves time and prevents masking while you establish the reference level. Once the root is routed, you control dynamics centrally. Insert a transparent compressor on Root VOL with a gentle ratio and slow attack so transients remain natural. This tames peaks without pumping. Then apply a linear phase EQ to remove frequency buildup that makes clips sound louder or muddier. Make small moves, you're shaping perceived volume by controlling energy, not just raising gain. As you adjust, bypass and unbypass to hear the effect, and match perceived loudness to maintain consistency across clips. Finish by using the makeup gain on Root VOL to set your final loudness target, and write automation on that bus to handle dynamic sections or transitions. This ensures individual clips follow the root's volume behavior while allowing momentary adjustments. If you encounter clipping or distortion, reduce the bus makeup gain first and then inspect input peaking on the root clip. If problems persist, check plugin latency or routing for unintentional summing. One reliable trick: solo the bus and monitor at.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.